So today we are going to discuss about science chapter number 1, nutrition in plants. So before going to start nutrition in plants, that we have to know what is nutrition. Nutrition means it is one type of chemical that is present in the food, and whenever we eat the food, that it gets energy, that it provide energy to our body, and then we are able to do different type of works, that is known as nutrients. So in plants, nutrients also necessary for the growth of plants. So now today we have to discuss so how the nutrient is useful in plants. Now come to mode of nutrition in plants. So plants directly prepare their food themselves, but other animals, they cannot able to prepare their food directly. So whenever the plant prepare their food, so this plant need water, carbon dioxide and minerals. With the help of all these materials, the plant prepare their food. Nutrition means it is the mode of taking food by the plants and then utilize the energy to different part of the plants. So autotrophic means the plant that take food directly and converted into simple substances, that is known as autotrophics. But there are some plants which cannot prepare their food directly, but they depend upon the other plants, so that is known as autotrophs, that is known as heterotrophs. Now we have to discuss photosynthesis and how the plants prepare their food. So whenever leaf is called the food factory of plants, so there is small type of pores. There is small type of pores that is present in the leaves, that is known as stomata. So with this stomata, there is a lot of green droplets of water, that is known as pigment. So that is known as pigment. It is also called chlorophyll. So with the help of chlorophyll, whenever the sun falls on the leaves, it takes carbon dioxide and water, and then the leaves prepare the food and send to different part of the plants. So that's why it is known as the sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living beings. So why it is called the sun is the ultimate way? It is because if there is no sun, then the plant is not able to prepare their food. So with the help of the sun rays, the plant is able to prepare their food. So that's why it is known as sun is the ultimate source of energy. That is why if there is no sun, then the organism or the plants cannot prepare their food. So now we have to discuss other modes of nutrition in plants. Other nutrition means there are some plants which do not have chlorophyll, they cannot synthesize food. How do they survive and from where do they derive nutrition? So that means कभी कभी ऐसा देखा जाता है कि कोई प्लांट अपना खाना अपने बना नहीं सकता है, लेकिन ये दूसरा प्लांट के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, दूसरा प्लांट से न्यूट्रिशन ले लेता है. इसी प्रकार जो प्लांट्स होता है इसको कहते हैं हेटेरोट्रोफिक मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. Then parasitics. Some plants are there. Actually, they do not have the capacity to prepare food, but they depend upon the other plants. Sometimes you have seen that some type of climbers are there. Whenever the climbers is thrown on other plants, then this climber take the food from the plants and grow day by day. So that is known as parasitic. Parasitic means it is a type of plants that do not have the power to prepare their food, but they take the food from the other plants whenever they are thrown into the other plants. So if the other plant is weak, then the plant which is depend upon the plant, that cannot be grow. Then some type of plants are there. So the leaves of the plants is just like the cave. So whenever any insect sit on the leaves, then automatic the leaves close down. So then this insect, उसका बाद में वो जो इंसेक्ट होता है, जो पेड़ जो पत्ती है